How to block or unblock someone on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block or unblock someone on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top and simply enter and search for the person that you want to block. And now here, once you have searched for that person, just tap on their profile to open it. And now here, once you're inside the profile, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the profile. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on block, and after that you can just confirm your action by tapping on block. And once you do that, the user can no longer see your post, stories and DM you. But here to unblock someone, what you can do is just go back, and here you can just go to your profile section. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on the option labeled as blocked. And now here in this section, you will see all the list of the users that you have blocked. And now here, if you want to unblock someone, then you can just tap on unblock next to their name and confirm by tapping on unblock again. And once you do that, the user can view your profile and interact with you again. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.